What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Logan Mullenix. I run a company called Socialverse. I'm here at my office in Indianapolis, Indiana. The sun is setting. Let's check it out. Bang. So let's get started. I just wanted to go over and create a video on a couple tools that we use to create the most professional business websites that you could offer to small businesses and start selling to them to start making money as an agency. So the first tool that I want to go over is Notion. Notion is a note-taking app that we use here at Socialverse to plan our projects out, to plan and get everything that we need to make sure the service runs as smooth as possible. Notion is a note-taking app that you can download to your Mac, Android, iPhone, all of your devices. It's probably one of the best note-taking apps I've ever used in the last 10 years. Definitely check out Notion. The next thing is, how do we build websites? We build website on our own software. So we have our own software called the SV Website Builder. If you don't know how to build websites, start here. Our platform is a drag and drop website building platform that comes with a built-in CRM, built-in funnel manager, built-in website manager, built-in email marketing, built-in SEO, and much more. So there's a lot of different stuff that you can do with the SV website builder. But the number one thing is you can build service-based businesses or e-commerce business or any business website using the builder in just a few days. Yeah, you can build websites literally in 5 hours if once you get good enough. We're able to build a full complete website in just a few hours just because we've had so many years of experience using our own software. So if you don't know how to use a website or don't know how to build a website, check out the SV Website Builder because it's a no-code drag and drop platform that you can simply learn how to build websites as an agency to sell to small businesses as a service. The other thing is you can make money on the back end. So you're not only going to sell them on an uptime or an upfront one-time fee, you're going to sell them on a monthly management package for website updating, website management, email marketing, SEO, and much more. So you can do that. If you want me to make a video on showing you how and how much to charge for monthly website management, drop in the comments. I'll be glad to do that. The next tool I want to check out is Dribble. Dribble is kind of a place to go and get inspiration is what we use it for. So we go on to Dribble, type in whatever website or industry that we're working on and get different website examples that UI and UX and designers have just essentially created. We use that as inspiration to then go and build our own websites on the SV Website Builder. The next tool I want to go over is the SV SEO Manager. So with the SV SEO Manager, you can now manage your SEO campaigns, find keywords, track those keywords, manage your Google My Business, get engine actions and steps you need to start ranking better on search engines, get all your analytics and much more, all inside of the SV SEO Manager. The next tool I want to explain and go over is Unsplash. So Unsplash is a copyright free where you can source all your images. So maybe your clients don't have imaging for their specific industry, business, maybe it's a new business, they just don't have images. That's okay. We can pull stock images to use for the meantime on their website using Unsplash. Overall, those are the basic generic tools that I like to use for website design and development. They overall all help me. And that's pretty much it. If you want to learn how you can charge $500 to $5,000 one-time upfront fee to build websites for small businesses or brands, drop in the comments below. We'll be glad to shoot a video and show you guys how you can start doing that for your agency to start closing more deals and creating more reoccurring revenue. Other than that, that's going to be it for now. See you guys next video.